Okay, here we go with question number 5. Question is 53 divided by 3. And here it is in that long division format. So we're going to go ahead and break this apart into tens and ones. Can 3 go into the tens place? 3 can go into 5 once. That's my division step. I'm going to multiply the one I just wrote down, the division step, times my divisor, which is 3. I'm going to subtract 5 minus 3, which gives me a remainder of 2 in the tens place. And then I'm going to bring down the ones place. Once I bring down, I go all the way back to division again. And now I have 23 here in my dividend, and I've got to divide it by 3. How many times does 3 go into 23? Well, hopefully you're thinking skip count by 3s, or your 3's facts. And if I get to 24, that's too high. How many times does 3 go into 23? It goes in there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times is my division step. I'm going to then multiply, and this is where people get stuck a lot. You're going to multiply the 7 you just wrote down times your divisor, 7 times 3. Now, if you did a 3's tower, that's the top of your tower. That's your multiplication step. So we've already worked on that. And 7 times 3 is 21. We're then going to subtract. Since there's nothing left to bring down, that tells me I'm done with the problem. And my quotient is 17, remainder 2.